Hi friends, we're getting ready to draw Savannah, our friend that we learned about in the video from yesterday. So I am going to start again with my black marker, and I'm going to go to the top of the page, and I'm going to make her head first. And then her neck, which is a square, and then I'm going to make her body a triangle today. And then, do you remember what we need for legs? A rectangle. We need 2 rectangles. 1, 2. And then she needs feet. And then I'm going to give her some shoelaces for her shoes to add some detail. And then I'm going to make her arms, which are also rectangles. And then the palm of her hand. Next, we're going to make her fingers, and she has 5 fingers on each hand, and we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So today we're going to count on. We're going to do 5 on this hand, and then we're going to count on with her second hand. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to add her ears, 2 ears, and I remembered to put the lines in there. And then she has 2 eyebrows and 2 eyes with circles in the middle and a dot for her pupil. I'm going to give her some eyelashes. And you have eyelashes on the top and eyelashes on the bottom. Eyelashes are to help our eyes keep the dirt out. That's why we have eyelashes and we blink so that dirt does not get in our eyes. And then I'm going to add her nose and her mouth. And then I'm going to give her lips today. You can do teeth, you can do lips, you can have it closed, whichever way you want to do it. Now I'm going to add the ground. She can't be flying in the air. She's got to have a ground. I think for Savannah, I'm going to add a flower today. You can add what you want for background, but I'm going to add a flower. The way I make a flower is I make a line down and then a circle. And then I make little circles all around the big circle. And then for the leaves, I make a triangle, 2 triangles. That's how I make flowers. You can make your flowers how you know how to make them. And then she was telling me the other day that she wanted to go out and play soccer, so I'm going to put a ball over here. On our Zoom meeting, she said she wanted to play soccer. And that is a sphere. Remember from our 3D shapes, a sphere is a ball. And she also told us that she likes potato chips, so I'm going to add a potato chip in her hand. She might be hungry when she's playing soccer. And then she's outside, I'm going to give her some sun. And then I have to write her name. Savannah has a really long name, so I'm going to write it right under here. I'm going to start with it on this side with the S. I'm going to see how many letters she has. S, A, V, A, N, N, A, H. Look how long that name is. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 letters in her name. Her hair is not too long, but it is like kind of a medium length, so I'm going to give her somewhat of a little bit of hair down here, but I'm going to not make it too long because she has shorter hair. And it's kind of like a brownish color with some yellow, so I have my yellow crayon and my brown crayon. Give her some yellow. And then she has blue eyes. I'm gonna give her some blue eyes. At least I think they're blue. Maybe they're brown. I don't know, I have to ask. Blue, I'm gonna make them blue. I think they're blue. Maybe not. But you can make them whatever you want. And then we use our flesh color for her face. I'm gonna finish coloring this in a little bit. It's your turn to go make a picture of Savannah, our friend. I will see you next week when we are going to do 2 more. We'll probably make some Nina and Philip next week. So, bye.